Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable or perform quick machine recovery on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Quick machine recovery is a inbuilt tool of Windows 11 and 10 system. To find it, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to system settings. This is a tool from which you can easily recover your machine. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and look for the option recovery. Click on recovery settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option quick machine recovery. If your device fails to start, we will try to fix the problem with device recovery solution. Click on the arrow and here you will find the toggle button. If your device fails to start, we will try to fix the problem with device recovery solutions. So simply turn the toggle button on to enable quick machine recovery. If any of your device driver fails to start, this will check automatically. Automatically check for solution, turn on to automatically check for remediation solutions, turn off to check manually. And look for solution, you will find a time frequency. So look for solutions, click on a small arrow and you will find every 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours and 12 hours. You may choose once recommended. So your window will automatically check for solution. Any device driver fails to install or fail to work, then you can easily enable quick machine recovery. That's all.